Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab and 21 Offroad. Today I wanted to walk you through the installation of our third bull bar that is available for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco modular bumper. What we have right in front of us right here is our original mini bull bar design. Very low profile bar, doesn't cover up any of your grill letters. First thing we did was install it on our Ford Bronco Raptor because we had this meet and we had not done anything to this thing. Right now we've only done like tires, some little vinyl, antenna, but I knew there was going to be another code orange there, so I threw this on there just to set it apart a little bit. The modular bumper pretty much has the same design as all the modular bumpers that go on all the other iterations of the Ford Bronco. So this is the one that's been on here since before Ian. It was a prototype. It had this light mount on the top of it, and now we actually have these in stock as well. But what I'm going to swap out with today is this OE style Safari bar for the bumper, and it fits in the same manner. You don't have to use washers along with the supplied factory bolts. All you have to do is use the bolts. So there are 4 mounting points per side. Let me go get the necessary tools and we will go through that install. Alright, so I conveniently have a T40 socket right here. I have already loosened up the bolts. These are OEM bolts on this modular bumper. This bumper truly is modular, at least for this installation, because we're just removing these bolts and then we will reuse them on the new bull bar, or some of you might call a Safari bar. Once we complete this side, I will just do the other side, same 4 bolts. When we were tightening these up, we were basically doing one at a time, getting it kind of finger tight so that everything settles and gets centered on these holes, and then you can tighten it down, kind of like similar to putting a wheel on your vehicle. You don't want to tighten one down all the way. Alright, so I've already started to put this one on. Pretty much held it up with one hand and then started hand tightening bolts into the holes. And like I mentioned, you kind of want to even this up. Do one bolt on one side and then do another bolt on the other. But pretty much you're just hand tightening until you get all the bolts in. And then we can start cranking down a little bit. Ooh, it is humid here in North Fort Myers. It's 90 degrees as well. I do have a little Bronco meet to go to, local, as soon as I get this on. And I am sweating. But this is a really easy install. You don't have to have your own garage, that many tools. You can do this at an apartment complex. You could do it in a parking lot. You're only talking about 5 minutes if you're super rushing it, and like 10 minutes, kind of average. It'll probably take you just as long to get the box out, cut the wraps that go around it, cut the tape on the box, etc. But having this C40 on extension is real nice because some of these bolts on the inner side are going to be really tight. So it's going to be a little difficult for you to like use a wrench. You're going to want to use this socket and ratchet. I won't crank that one down all the way yet. Just get it a little bit tighter. Do some on the other side. You just want this to go into place where it naturally wants to be. So you don't want any of these bolts to get so tight that the bar can't shift into that spot. You don't have to crank down with all your might. This bar really isn't going anywhere. Just get it fairly tight. And there you have it. There's the installation of the kind of like version 3 mini bull bar, the Safari bar from 21 Offroad. Alright, I can barely see right now, so I wasn't lying. This is how hot it is. But, like I said, there's our complete install. Safari bar looking really nice on our 2021 Ford Bronco Badlands with Sasquatch package. Got the 17-inch Icon wheels on there. in a satin black. And we have the bronze over there. So, two different style bars right there. Viewable in the same shot. Let me know which one you guys like the most, the one on the left or the one on the right. I think both are good choices. If you want something more subtle, go for the mini bull bar. Something a little bigger, OE style, there's always a safari bar. Now that I've changed up the look, I really like this one. I don't know if I should have gone with the same one on the Bronco Raptor, or if that style suits it a little bit more. But thank you guys for your continued support on the Sticker Fab site, on the 21 Off-Road site, through the past years, through the hurricane, everything. For more content like this, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are coming out with for these 2021 and up Ford Broncos.